All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. This video is all about wealth through textiles and cotton industries. Okay, so let me talk to you about wealth through textiles and cotton industries. First and foremost thing, the Karakas for wealth are basically Venus, Jupiter, and Saturn. Whereas for textile industries and cotton industries, the Karaka is basically Saturn and Venus. Okay, Saturn and Venus are the Karakas of textile and cotton industries. Okay, if at all you have strong Venus, if at all you have strong Jupiter, if at all you have strong Saturn in your birth chart, if at all they are well placed in the second, especially in the second house, fifth house, seventh house, ninth and 10th and 11th houses, without any aspect from Rahu and Ketu, because Rahu and Ketu are considered as malefics. If at all you have Rahu aspect on so-and-so combinations, especially on Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, then this indicates that you will be undergoing a lot of struggle in order to get that thing to happen. That means here we are talking about the wealth. If at all for the wealth generations, you have to face a lot of challenges and sometimes even the legal petitions if at all the Ketu or Rahu get influenced with Saturn, Venus or Jupiter. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about. All these planets, the Karakas for wealth should be free from the malefics Rahu and Ketu. Even in the Navamsha chart for that matter, we have to see the relationship between the Lagna chart and the Navamsha chart. Where exactly the placement of Jupiter, the Lord of 2nd, 5th, 7th and 9th houses are placed in the Navamsha chart. That also has to be checked. And also from the, who are all the planets sitting in the Kendras, that is 1st, 4th, 7th and 10th. And also in the Trikonas, 1st, 5th and 9th houses. These are called as Trikonas. Okay. So a strong planet should be placed in the Trikonas and also the Kendras. Okay. And also here we are talking about the wealth through textile and cotton industries. So I'll tell you certain combinations to see if at all you have these combinations. If Sun is placed in Lagna in the Rashi of Leo, conjunct or aspected by Mars and Jupiter. Here Mars and Jupiter happen to be the 5th and 9th lords. Okay, if at all you have this combination, you can make very good wealth through textile and cotton industries. Okay, if at all majority of the planets are in the 1st, 2nd, 6th, 8th and 12th and also in 2, then this indicates that you'll be making unexpected wealth. Especially 8th house talks about unexpected wealth. Okay, you'll be making a lot of money by inheritance. Okay, if at all, and let's say the lords of 6th and 11th houses are combined, the lord of 6th house and the 11th house are combined and placed in the 11th house. This indicates that you'll be making a lot of money through textile and cotton industries. That too, this indicates sudden wealth. Okay, and let's say if at all lord of 6th is conjunct with Mercury and Moon and is placed in the 11th house. The lord of 6th house conjunct with Mercury and placed in the 11th house. This also indicates that you'll be making a lot of money through textile and cotton industries. And let's say 5th and 11th combination with Rahu and Ketu. See, let me tell you one thing. Rahu and Ketu, although being the malefic planets, they are capable of making your goals to reach much faster than you estimated, and also you'll be making a sudden gain. Sudden gains and surprises generally happens with Rahu and Ketu. So 5th and 11th combination with Rahu and Ketu gives sudden gains and surprises. And according to Horasara, that is one of the stream of astrology, if Mercury and Venus are placed in the 1st, 5th and 9th house, this indicates the person becomes super rich by managing the industries, especially textile and cotton industries. Alright, so these are all the 5 combinations I would like to give you for wealth through textile and cotton industries. So in order to check your wealth yoga and your horoscope, you have to book for the astrology consultation so that it will enable me to check for your complete birth chart analysis depending upon the planetary placements in your birth chart. Where exactly the Jupiter, where exactly is the Saturn, where exactly is Mercury, where exactly is Venus. Okay, all these things will be thoroughly checked in the astrology consultation, because what are the prediction which I am telling you is all general prediction. To have an individual analysis, individual birth chart analysis, for that you have to book for the astrology consultation so that I can devote at least 3 to 4 hours of time and I can predict whatever you are looking for from your own birth chart. Alright, so see you in the astrology consultation. The link is mentioned in the description section. Do check for the link and book for the astrology consultation. Once I get an order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. And if at all you are watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon, which is subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos. Do check out for other videos in my YouTube channel. There are a lot of videos which I have made on wealth astrology. This is all for you guys, and my objective is to help you with the knowledge of Vedic astrology. So stay tuned and bye for now.